Okay, this is 30 times 30 times 45 Paludarium that the client requests. Want to put a miniature house here, bridge here, and then the asparagus fern here. This is where they place the palm. This is the mist maker, and of course definitely you can see there's a light, amber light. One is on hidden in the cavern, another one is underneath. So once all the expanding foam 100% cured, I will start carving. Then stay tuned for part 2. Okay, expanding foam done. Once it's dry, and then I use pen knife and I have trim and shape it to the shape that I would like. So the next step is to put in the silicone with pig moss and wait for another 24 hours to let it dry and to test the water, and then put the lava rock, and then last step will be the moss. Thank you. Okay, final step I completed. I'm using this mini lava rock, and then I use a hot glue to glue it first, glue everything. Then after that I use black silicone to further glue and ensure that the lava rock attach tightly onto that expanding foam. And one thing you have to remember, take note that before the silicone cured, you have to apply this pig moss. Make sure you wear the hand glove. So you just press it, and let it dry. Okay, thank you.